lovely people. How is your Saturday going? Mine's doing great. I was so surprised. So, you read from my title, I will be unboxing the February 2019 Ipsy Glam Plus. That was a mouthful. This wasn't supposed to get here till like Tuesday or Wednesday by the tracking, and I was so surprised when my mailman came and this was in here. So this is the second month that I am receiving this. This is $25 a month. I know last month when a lot of people asked me that, that how do you even get on the waiting list? How I did it was I just emailed Ipsy and told them that I would love to be on the waiting list. And that's how I did it. So try emailing them. And if you already did, try emailing them again. But without further ado, let me cut through here and see what we have. Last month, I am really satisfied with Ipsy Glam Plus. I think they're really stepping it up, and it's $25 a month. It's a couple more dollars than BoxyCharm, but so far, I really like it. All right, so let's open her up. So it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. So it has this little blue spongy thing, kind of like BoxyCharm does. And if you don't throw these away, because you can also use these to kind of clean your brushes off. So there's a lot of stuff in here because last month I redeemed some points from my regular Ipsy Glam bag, and so they must have put it in here. So let me take everything out. I didn't know they were going to do that. So I think it's just these four things here. So is this the same thing? I don't even remember. All right, so this is the First Aid Beauty. This is the lotion, and this is the face cleanser right there. I love First Aid Beauty. We have the Touch and Soul No Pore Oh my God, No Pore Blum Primer right there. I love this primer. I actually used it today. You can see I'm just about out of it. And then this is, what is this? Natural Lab Volume Blowout Jelly. So something for your hair. I don't remember. So there we go. All right. This is, okay, so it comes with a little thingy-majiggy, pamphlet, and tells you what everything is, and it does give you prices, so that's good. All right, let's pull out what I have. So the first thing is this Tarte High Performance Naturals Big Dream Palette. I was so excited to see that I was getting this. I did look at my spoilers, I'm not gonna lie, so I knew what I was getting. So here is the packaging. Let's open her up. Okay, so it opens up like this, like a book. And this little thingy fell out. Let me cover this up so I don't blind you. All right, so this is what it looks like right there. You guys can see I'm probably blinding you guys. So you have how many mats? All right, you got 2 mats. So you got this dark brown color. It's a dark brown. And then you have this light color here that's a matte. The rest is shimmers. But let's do some swatches. I'm going to swatch the mattes. So this is good. So this would be where I would set my eyes. And then this would be where I would deepen up my eyes. So that's good. All right. All right, so this one here you probably won't see because I would use that anyway to set my eyes. That is the brown. The brown is a little chalky, I'm not gonna lie, but it's workable. It doesn't feel like regular Tarte mattes though. But let me just keep going. All right, I'm going to start swatching. I don't want to blind you guys. These 2, and then here, and then here. So let's see. All right. Yeah, these are kind of chalky. It doesn't feel, I don't know, not like the regular Tarte feels like for some reason. But they're really pretty. These are the shimmers. So pretty. So there's the 4, the top 2. All right. And then I will swatch this one here. This one was that matte I already swatched. So I'm going to swatch these 2 right here. All right. And there we go. So there is a black right there. I don't know. I mean, I'm glad to get this palette just because swatches apply like this, they could apply really pretty on the eyes. So I will definitely play around with this and keep you guys updated on that. All right, let's see what it says, how much it is. So that values for $30. All right. The next, this is another palette I got, which I am so excited. This is the NYX Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette. I've seen this in NYX's website a few months ago, and I almost picked it up, but I'm like, nah, I got enough blushes. So I'm glad I didn't. I have tried NYX blushes before, and I do like them. So let's see. Let's take it out of the box. Come on. If you are new, I don't edit my videos, so... All right. Make sure that you guys subscribed if you're new, because in a few days I will have my 2-year anniversary on YouTube giveaway, and we're going to have at least 2 winners, possibly 3. And right now I have over 8 eyeshadow palettes and a whole bunch of things, so make sure that you are subscribed. All right, so that's what it looks like. Really pretty. I'm not going to swatch this because even though I'm excited to get this, I don't know if I'll give it away because I have so many blushes. It's really pretty. There's a couple like shimmer shades. I like to wear matte blushes. So I don't want to swatch it just in case. Let me put it back in the box. All right. So that's exciting. So we got that. All right. The next thing is this IT Cosmetics foundation blush. Oh, let me tell you how much this NYX palette is. So this is $20. Now, this brush I already have, and I believe I paid like $46 or $48 for it. How much is it saying? $48. And I like beauty blenders, but when I do go in with a brush, I'll use the brush and then I use a dampened beauty blender and I tap it in. But this doesn't really leave streaks, and that's why I don't like a lot of brushes, because they tend to leave streaks. So I'm not going to open this either, even though I am so excited to get this. I want somebody to be able to enjoy this since I already have this. I'll probably put this in the giveaway as well, the 2-year giveaway. So let's see. The next thing is this lipstick by Finding Fernandez. I believe there were 2 shades you could have got. This is valued at $30, and it is the lipstick in Nob Hill. So this has a little safety seal on there, right there. So let's see if I can get this off. Okay. So, oh, good. I got the red one. That's what I wanted. You could have either got like a nudie one or like a red one. So that's beautiful. Let me give that a little swatch. Oh, that's beautiful. That is so beautiful, and it is so creamy. I am so excited that I got this color. So, and look, you just snap it in, you pull it out, and then you... That's cool. So that way, when you put it in your pocketbook or your purse, it doesn't... You ever have like lipsticks and the top comes off and then you get like a whole bunch of dirt and stuff in your lipstick and it's no good? So that's good. And last but not least, this is by Moly. This is the green Chic Green Tea. This is a watery essence. So, and I love getting skincare. This values for $27. So let me read what it is. So it says, if there's one thing your beauty routine is missing, it's an essence. Think part toner, part hydrating serum. A favorite in Korea, this Moly Essence Skincare Water is packed with antioxidant-rich fermented green tea to balance moisture levels, purify your skin to absorb serums and moisturizers more effectively. So that's good. So you would put this right on before you do your makeup, or like, you know, at your skincare, your nighttime skincare routine. And this is a pretty big bottle. Let's see. I'm not going to, and I like the top, if you guys can see. Let's see. Closes pretty good because I'm already using some stuff right now, so I don't want to open this, but I'll definitely going to get some use out of this. So let's recap what we got. So we got this Moly green tea essence, which I am really excited to get. I got an It Cosmetic foundation brush, which was almost $50. I'm going to put that in a 2-year anniversary giveaway. That'll be up pretty soon, within the week. No more than a week. So like I said, make sure that you are subscribed. Then I am excited to try this Tarte palette. Like I said, they swatch differently than usually Tarte. You can see like how it's patchy than how some of the Tarte eyeshadows usually swatch. But I haven't tried them on my eyes, so they might look totally different. And then what else did I get? Oh, and I got the NYX palette, the blush palette. And the only reason why I didn't swatch it, because I have so many blushes, I have to see if I have these colors. If not, I'll also put this in a giveaway. But I'm really excited to get this. I am so excited. I think this was great. Wasn't there one more thing? Oh, and the lipstick. I mean, that is gorgeous, that color. I really, really like it. And if you're wondering what is on my eyes, I am using the Violet Voss Pro Palette. We got this in a boxy luxe. That's what it looks like in case you don't know. And I really, really like this palette. Yeah, so that's everything. Let me know, do you get the Ipsy Glam Plus? Are you still on the waiting list? What is going on? And if you are still waiting to get on it, if you haven't even got on the waiting list, let me know in the comments down below, how long have you had Ipsy? I have Ipsy almost 3 years. And like I said, I finally emailed them and I got on the waiting list. And then the following month, they, you know, updated it for me. All right, guys, but that's everything. Don't forget to like this video. It really helps me out. Make sure that you are subscribed so you can get in on that giveaway that's going to come up. Make sure you comment. And as always, I put videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.